What is supply chain logistics and is it right for you? Discover if logistics supply chain management is your calling. Join Boss of Logistics for expert insights and a quiz to determine your fit. Subscribe now. To help you out, here are the top 10 questions to ask yourself to determine if logistics supply chain management is a good fit for you. 1. Are you detail-oriented and organized? 2. Do you thrive in fast-paced environments? 3. Are you a strong problem solver? 4. Are you comfortable with analyzing data and making data-driven decisions? 5. Do you have excellent communication and interpersonal skills? 6. Are you able to multitask and prioritize effectively? 7. Are you comfortable working with technology and logistics software? 8. Are you adaptable and able to handle unexpected challenges? 9. Are you passionate about optimizing processes and improving efficiency? 10. Do you enjoy collaborating with cross-functional teams to achieve common goals? These questions are designed to help you assess your skills, personality traits, and motivations to determine if you have the potential to succeed in logistics supply chain management.